Hi, I'm Atrina from rtwebdesign.com, and I want to show you a quick demo video on choosing the right site builder. Before you even start looking for a web designer, you need to ask yourself one big question: which site builder or web design system works best for me? If you rank the top 10 site builders in the world based on how many people use them, WordPress would be sitting at the top. Here is a list of the top 10. At first place, WordPress, the big boss. At sixth place, Webflow, great for custom designs. Review the list from the most used to the least used. Here we rank the site builders based on other features, based on how much you can customize them and how good they are at design. And guess what? The new list is totally different. Webflow is the best for design. WordPress is powerful, but for customization and restyling, it comes in second place. Here we compare Webflow and WordPress on important points because they are the top 2 site builders with powerful design tools. Now let's look at these different facets. First, at design, at ease of use, the e-commerce, hosting, costs, and blogging. When we compare them in terms of design, Webflow lets designers do whatever they want. Designers can place things anywhere, create any layout, and customize everything. Web design in Webflow is much more technical than in WordPress, which allows more advanced design capabilities compared to WordPress. And what about ease of use? Webflow keeps everything in one place, so it all works smoothly together. WordPress, on the other hand, uses plugins for many design features. Since different people make these plugins, they don't always work the same way, and this can sometimes cause issues. In terms of e-commerce, WordPress scores higher, while Webflow is better for simplicity. Webflow has e-commerce tools built in. It's great for small to medium businesses that want a smooth setup. It covers most needs without extra hassle. WordPress uses WooCommerce, which lets you customize a lot, letting you add subscriptions, membership, and checkouts. But it requires more technical know-how to fully customize. When we compare them in terms of hosting, we conclude that in Webflow the site is fast, secure, and ready to go. No setup needed, and it's all built in. In WordPress, you have to choose a provider, manage speed, manage security, and take care of updates. When we compare them on costs, Webflow costs more at first, but has no extra plugin costs later. So Webflow is more expensive at the start. WordPress seems cheaper at first, but you are more likely to need to buy plugins, and the renewal costs can add up over time. When it comes to comparing blogging for users, we find that Webflow is super easy for clients to manage. They can add or update blog posts without any technical skills, just like filling out a form. No need to call a web designer every time. WordPress, on the other hand, can be trickier. It needs plugins or themes to customize the blog, and the editing system isn't always simple. Clients might need a web designer to fix layouts or make changes. Here is our conclusion. Let's keep it simple and wrap things up. We like Webflow more than WordPress, and here is why. You get more design freedom, everything works smoothly, e-commerce is built in, hosting is fast and secure, no need to worry about plugin costs, and finally blogging is super simple for clients to update on their own. That's why Webflow is our choice. This demo was part of our Digital Talks series. It may be useful in making a crucial decision regarding the choice of a site builder. I'm Trina from rtwebdesign.com, excited for what's ahead. Check out our contact page and send us a message or an email. Feel free to reach out.